Hello, welcome to the DroneCap YouTube channel. We're gonna go through some updates regarding DJI Mini 3 as your option for photogrammetry. DJI Mini 3, it's a versatile drone and a starter one for someone who doesn't have any experience with drones. It will be a really good choice. And I'll be using Pix4D Capture app, and on the setup it's easy to take whatever you want to take. You need to be aware of the regulations to fly in your country, so be aware of this, and you need to have also a good position to take off. And even though DJI Mini 3 has some sensors, you need to be aware of your surroundings all the time. Okay? After the takeoff, we will be starting looking at the screen on your mobile, and once you have the plans all set in the Pix4D Capture app, the drone will do the job for you. So it's really easy. If you know about photogrammetry, you can set the overlap and the fly height to the expected ground sample distance. And you also, if you have any emergency, you can move the drone with the joysticks in real time. Once the flight is finished, then if you want to make the landing safe, you can land the drone yourself with the controllers, and will make the life easy. Back in the office, we have many options to process the data. In this case, I use Trimble Business Center, and as you can see, I did a double gridded line flying at 120 meters. So this kind of data is really essential, is really important for a lot of different applications on the construction, agriculture, and many others, and also safety. So with this kind of data, we can understand the topography of the place and be able to plan and improve these areas based on this survey, right? So this is why this image has these pictures has so much power in it, because you can bring this to a 3D model and then use that for a lot of different kind of applications. It looks really good, even for a simple drone, a starter drone. You can deliver some good data. And then for the surveying side, you can get the contour lines, you can get a 3D surface from that. If you're working also in a construction site, you can get the volumes of the materials around the site, and also compare this data with other days to see the evolution of the construction site, and also do some comparisons between the original ground and also the design ground, and also get some volumes as well on this. So in this case, we haven't used any control points, so the georeference positioning here is off. So we are based on the positioning of the drone, which will get an error of 2 meters. But for a first flight, it will be a very good tool, very on budget, to start getting some drawings and get some insights of the area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you have any questions, please send them on the comments below, and subscribe so we can keep doing this kind of videos for you. Okay, thank you, see you soon.